In the dim, flickering light of a roaring fire, shadows dance against the walls of a rugged cave. The air is thick with the primal scent of earth and sweat as a group of prehistoric humans huddle together, their eyes glinting with the reflection of the flames. Outside, the night is alive with the sounds of predators stalking through the underbrush, their growls and howls a constant reminder of the peril that lurks just beyond the safety of the fire's glow. Among these early humans, a leader stands, clutching a sharpened stone tool, ready to defend his clan against any unseen dangers of the dark. As we delve into the story of our ancient ancestors, we uncover the extraordinary journey that led them from mere survival to the mastery of their environment, forging the path to the world we know today. The discovery of Homo Naledi in the Rising Star Cave System in South Africa in 2013 has provided a glimpse into the complexities of human evolution. This new species of hominin, first announced to the public in 2015, has stirred significant interest and debate within the scientific community. Its unique combination of primitive and modern traits challenges existing narratives about the development and dispersal of early human species. This video explores the discovery, anatomy, significance, controversy, and implications of Homo Naledi for our understanding of human evolution. The fossils of Homo naledi were discovered by a team of scientists led by paleoanthropologist Lee Berger from the University of Witwatersrand. The Rising Star Cave System, located in the Cradle of Mankind World Heritage Site, yielded over 1,500 fossil elements from at least 15 individuals. This remarkable find represents one of the richest assemblages of early human remains ever discovered. The excavation was challenging due to the cave's narrow passages, requiring a team of underground astronauts, specialist archaeologists with spelunking skills. The site's preservation conditions and the sheer volume of fossils provided an unprecedented opportunity to study a single species in great detail. Homo naledi exhibits a unique blend of primitive and modern characteristics. Its brain size, approximately 560 to 610 cubic centimeters, is small, akin to early hominins like Australopithecus, yet its skull shape is more similar to early Homo species. The teeth and jaw structures also reflect a mix, with some aspects resembling Homo and others Australopithecus. The postcranial skeleton of Homo naledi reveals a further intriguing trait. The hands and wrists suggest capabilities for tool use, with robust thumb and wrist structure. However, the fingers are curved, indicating an adaptation for climbing. The pelvis and lower limbs show a combination of bipedal adaptations and features suitable for climbing, suggesting a versatile mode of locomotion. One of the most intriguing aspects of Homo naledi is the apparent deliberate deposition of bodies within caves. The concentration of remains in the remote, hard-to-access chamber suggests that Homo naledi engaged in a form of ritualistic behaviour, possibly indicating a form of social or cultural complexity previously unattributed to such an early hominin. This behaviour, if confirmed, would push back the timeline of the emergence of mortuary practices and challenge assumptions about the cognitive capabilities of early hominins with small brain sizes. The implications for understanding the social structures and cognitive abilities of early human species, if this is proven, are profound. There's no convincing scientific evidence behind the extraordinary claims that the ancient human relative Homo naledi deliberately buried their dead and engraved rocks deep in South African caves around 300,000 years ago, a group of archaeologists argues in a new commentary. Homo Naledi became a lightning rod of controversy in 2023 after a team claimed the extinct hominin with an orange-sized brain carried its dead into the Rising Star cave system. Lit fires and engraved abstract patterns and shapes onto the walls. Complex behaviours previously known only in larger-brained modern humans and our close cousins. The team courted backlash, in part because they announced their controversial findings in a conference speech and 3 preprint studies that weren't peer-reviewed, which frustrated some scientists, National Geographic reported at the time. The online journal accepted these preprints for a public peer review assessment, which was concluded that there was incomplete evidence behind the claims. A hit Netflix documentary featuring the discoveries, called Unknown Cave of Bones, dropped on July 17, 2023, less than a week after the journal posted the preprints and critiques. Now, a team of researchers has looked at the 3 studies in detail and argued in a traditionally peer-reviewed commentary published in the Journal of Human Evolution that no convincing scientific evidence was ever presented for their deliberate burial or for rock art. Chris Stringer, a research leader in human origins at the Natural History Museum in London, who was not involved in any of the studies, agreed with the cautious approach of the new commentary and said it was well argued. I see it as a necessary rejoinder to some overhyped and premature conclusions about the supposedly complex behaviour of Homo Naledi, Stringer said. The discovery of Homo Naledi has several significant implications for the field of paleoanthropology. Firstly, it adds complexity to the human evolutionary tree, demonstrating that multiple hominin species with diverse traits coexisted in Africa. This finding supports the view that human evolution was not a linear process, but rather a branching tree with various lineages developing concurrently. Secondly, the anatomical and behavioural traits of Homo Naledi challenge existing models of the relationship between brain size and cognitive complexity. The evidence of potential ritualistic behaviour suggests that significant cognitive and social advancements occurred in hominins with relatively small brains, prompting a re-evaluation of how brain size correlates with intelligence and cultural practices. Finally, the geographical location and age of Homo Naledi, estimated to be between 236 and 335,000 years old, place it contemporaneously with early Homo sapiens in Africa. This temporal overlap raises questions about the interactions between different hominin species and the potential for genetic exchange or competition. Homo Naledi stands as a discovery that greatly adds to our understanding of human evolution. Its unique combination of primitive and modern traits, coupled with debatable evidence of complex behaviour, challenges traditional narratives and opens new avenues for research. As more fossils are analysed and new technologies applied, the story of Homo Naledi and its place in the human lineage will continue to evolve, offering deeper insights into the intricate tapestry of our origins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.